NIT Srinagar improves to 79th in NIRF 2024 Engineering Rankings. Dr. Nilima Kamra honored with Maa Jijabai Shikshak Samman 2024. Dr. Sangeeta Bhatia represents KIIT World School Delhi at IC3 2024 conference. IIM Ahmedabad 2024 placements. 121 students hired, consulting leads with 35% recruitment. JEM 2025 registrations open today. Apply on the official website.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni. Today's top news are: NIT Srinagar has climbed to 79th place in NIRF 2024 Engineering Rankings, up from 82nd last year and 66th in 2022. This improvement reflects a notable rise in institute's teaching, learning and resource scores. However, NIT Srinagar did not rank in other NIRF 2024 categories such as architecture, overall research and innovation, despite a slight increase in its engineering score from 45.52 in 2022 to 45.70 in 2023. The institute has not achieved a position in QR World University Rankings and falls within 1201 1500 band in Times Higher Education World University Ranking 2024. Established 1960, NIT Srinagar offers a range of undergraduate and postgraduate programs across 12 departments, including engineering, science and management. Dr. Nilima Kamra, principal of KIIT World School Gurugram, has been honored with the prestigious Maa Jijabai Shikshak Samman 2024. This esteemed award, presented by the Forum of Public School and Vishwarup Education, acknowledged Dr. Kamra's outstanding contribution to education. Her unwavering dedication, passion and commitments have significantly influenced both her students and the broader education community. Dr. Kamra's leadership has been instrumental in shaping a young minds and fostering a nurturing learning environment. Congratulations once again to Dr. Kamra on this well-deserved recognition. Dr. Sangeeta Bhatia, principal of KIIT World School Delhi, recently attended the IC3 2024 conference themed From Competition to Competence. The event was a key platform for educators focused on evolving education trends and innovative strategies in career and college counseling. Dr. Bhatia engaged with peers on shifting from traditional competitive models to a focus on competence and holistic development. Discussion emphasized enhancing student skills, adaptability and lifelong learning. Dr. Bhatia's insights will help KIIT World School adopt these progressive approaches, ensuring students are well prepared for the future job market. The conference highlighted the shift towards nurturing competence, aligning with KIIT World School's educational philosophy and commitment to preparing students for success. IIM Ahmedabad's one-year MBA program has concluded its 2024 placements with 121 students securing job offers across various sectors. Consulting firms, including those of management and technology, were the top recruiters, hiring 35% of the students. Information technology services, BFSI and healthcare sectors hired 18%, 11% and 10% respectively. The final audited placements report said that it completed in August 2024 and aligned with Indian placements reporting standards, shows that 105 students offer diverse roles. Professor Vishwanath Pingali praised the placement's strong performance despite economic challenges, highlighted the program's appeal to both established firms and startups for senior management and leadership roles. The registration for JEM 2025 begins today, that is September 3, on the official website. Candidates can apply through JAM online application processing system. The registration deadline is October 11. To apply, candidates must first register on the JOAPS website with their name, email ID, mobile number and password. After registration, an enrollment ID and OTP will be sent for verification. It is crucial to use a single email address for one application. even if applying for 2 test papers, as multiple applications may be rejected. Application fees are ₹900 for 1 paper and ₹1,250 for 2 papers for females, SC, ST and SC and PWD candidates, while other categories pay ₹1,800 and ₹2,500 respectively. Fees applied for changing test details or categories. Regularly check the official site and email for your updates. That's all for today's news. Thank you for tuning in. Signing off, Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such videos and detailed news, log into our website www.theenn.com. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.